Hello and good Wednesday, October 1st, 2008. I'm Joanne and this is Rocket Boom. Our beloved internets are facing an upheaval as we approach a pivotal event in its history after ICANN voted in favour of almost unrestricted TLD creation earlier this year. What does this mean for the bringer of lulls, inhibitor of productivity? The intent is to bring about a more meaningful internet as it finally allows for domain addresses in a nation's mother tongue, not to mention addresses that make more sense to us in general. Imagine using manufacturer.car or company.shop instead of such verbal gymnastic terms as .biz and .net. More specifically, for instance, let's say you wanted to start a business called Zombo.com and would like to get Zombo.com. Zombo.com is already taken. But perhaps Zombo.coolman would be nice, or how about Zombo.I-want-to-live-forever? More options are better, right? The switch might not be all virtual utopia. Some are worried that the simplistic act of guessing the address of a site will become too convoluted and confusing. Search engines could become swamped with endless iterations of copycat sites since there's no reservation of addresses and trademarks that already exist. In an attempt to deter the wild and unwoolly, some are consequently concerned about the eye-watering cost of $100,000 per TLD, which means that basically most of us won't be able to play. Cross-culturally, there is also the unintentional problems that could turn up costly when mixing languages together. Say you create the innocent and fluffy-sounding .pet TLD. To those of us from the English-speaking variety, it conjures up images of cute and cuddly animals, but to a French person, it could bring about embarrassed looks and fits of laughter as your innocent domain translates into .fart. Typical problems. Des problèmes typiques. Not entirely new, our interwebs has an underground network of alternative domain names residing in the open RSC that's been around for years, invisible to those who don't know where to look, and provides a glimpse as to how the official internet might work and look when it adopts the same system in 2009. Even though the underground net appears to have it under control with over 1 million .geeks who are using it, no one truly knows what will happen when the wider world gets their hands on such a process. Will our interwebs become a more diverse and interesting place, or will it become even more difficult to find what you want? Time will tell.
Welcome to Zombo.com.